Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you would like to know when I go live to do my live streams, reviewing other people's cooking videos, please click that bell notification as I have no set time for them. All right. Today on Dave's Cooking Show, we are going to be going into the realm of video games and bringing their dishes into reality. I've decided that this time it'll be from The Sims 4, and it's their spaghetti. Alright, so in a pot over medium heat, I'm cooking up 1 pound of Italian sausage. Okie dokie! Once the sausage is cooked, we remove it from the pot and drain it. And then it's time to add some wine to deglaze all those wonderful bits of fawn that I've gotten on the bottom of our pot. If you do have kids, don't worry. You see the reaction that's going on now, that's the alcohol cooking off. If for whatever reason you don't want to use wine, then chicken stock or even water is fine to deglaze with. Just any liquid. Anyway, you want to give this a minute to bring all those bits up. And then let's move on to the next step. And then we want to add 6 cloves of minced garlic. Once our deglazing is complete. And then you want to give this about, a minute to cook. And now we're going to add 2 28-ounce cans of San Marzano tomatoes that I pureed in a blender. And just give it a little quick stir before we add our other ingredients. And first thing we're going to do is add 2 teaspoons of basil. Followed by 2 teaspoons of oregano. Followed by 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. About a 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Again, this is just to kind of wake everything up a little bit. And about 1 teaspoon to 1/2 teaspoon of fennel. I just like the flavor fennel gives. The tomato sauce, if you want to keep it out, it's optional. And then, of course, salt and pepper. Then just stir everything together. Reduce the heat to about low to medium low. You just want a nice gentle simmer. And you want to simmer this for approximately 20 minutes at the very least. Oh, and at some point get a pot of salted boiling water and cook your pasta. Again, taking 1 minute off the minimum cook time on the package directions. After about 5 minutes or so, add the Italian sausage back in and give it a stir around, keeping to the, again, at least 20-minute timetable. Again, the longer this simmer, generally the better it gets. Now, again, this step is optional, but I think it adds a nice little flavor to our sauce. And that is take a sprig of fresh basil and just kind of leave it in there to simmer. And then right before we add the pasta, we'll take this basil out and just discard it. Okie dokie. The sauce has been simmered. Our pasta is cooked. And time to kill the heat. Give this a stir around. Make sure everything is nice and well coated. And nothing much left to do besides serve it up. All right. See everyone at the last step. Alrighty. Have our pasta in a bowl. Dusting it off with some wonderful freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And that's it. The spaghetti from The Sims 4. Done.